Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your country in the About You app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the About You app, and here it opens up in the shop menu where we can search for articles, search for brands. But from here we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner, and then in this menu we find settings. If you tap on settings, then at the top we find country and language. Here we can select the country by tapping on the country icon. It's mostly, well, it's Europe based, but you can tap on worldwide as well. And then below that we find the language, and we can set the language as well. If we are worldwide, and we can select between English and Spanish. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.